like a new one. Alright guys, give you a little update on our trailer. We got well, we'll start out here. The sides at the bottom were rusted out. So I was gonna just cut it out and weld some new pieces in. Well, then I priced some sheet metal sheets. That's expensive. Way more expensive than it used to be. So I thought, man, what can we do? Well, and I thought, oh, we can rip all this out. You know, new sheet metal, everything. Like I said, that was expensive. So then I thought metal roofing. That's cheaper. So that's what we did. Ripped the sides off. The AC worked really well right now. The wind's blowing and running down the road 60 miles an hour. But yeah, that's the plan. We're going to put metal roofing up the sides now, galvanized, and then all the metal bars will clean and patina paint to yellow, and then that galvanized will, I think it'll break it up nice, make it look better rather than having a whole bunch of yellow. But that's where we're at right now. We still got a lot of grinding, cut some brackets off here and there, the latch over there. And then a whole lot of cleaning and scrapping some metal. Scrap, hopefully it'll help pay for some of the stuff. That's where we're at right now. We'll keep you updated. Alright guys, gonna give you a little update on what we're doing here. Been patching some rust on the trailer, so we've got an idea here going. So I'll flip you around here. So this is the rust we're talking about. Then we're adding the strip. Covering her up. Obviously it's just tacked here and there because Les has been holding that one piece of metal all the way around there. So we'll go back through and we'll add some more welds. We're just getting her up there for now. Nothing like adding carpentry with welding. It's raining. Checking out what we need to fix in the roof leaking. Just a few. See how Melissa's working on the roof. She'll be sealing it. Try and keep water out. We'll see. There's not much left of the trailer, babe. Gotta redo the door. Been broke here. We're just gonna redo it. Completely redo it. Sad day here at the shop, guys. Got some bad news for you. Lost a grinder today. Well, I had that thing for 10, 12 years. Melissa broke it. We're gonna lay her to rest. Oh, rest in peace. Poor old girl. Just started work, clean up the roof. Alright, so Melissa's been giving me a hard time. I built this. I didn't take any video. I should have, honestly, but I'll show you what it is here. Put a house doorknob in there, so we got a way to latch it and open it from the inside. The old latch was just a bar. Oh, tucked to here. Just a bar out here. You latched it, but once you got in, you couldn't latch it or unlatch it. So, come with this idea. Put a house doorknob, so we got lock. Yeah, just build a box to hold it. First box with that. It works good. We're making progress on it. Kinda. Deconstruction, yeah boy. We are working on putting it back together though. I got some metal there.
We have started reassembling.
We have reassembled. So yeah, stay tuned. So we're gonna do a little update on the trailer. Gonna try to change up what we've been doing. We're not gonna be able to do a weekly video. Those videos, we do this after hours of work. Me and her both work full time. So try to do stuff on the evenings and weekends. And sometimes we don't have enough content, but we throw it out there anyway, and the videos suck.
Dodging raindrops.
And dodge raindrops.
No, so it's starting to rain right now.
Yeah, so we're gonna switch things up and just put out a video when we have enough content. We appreciate you guys watching and subscribing. We've gained quite a bit of subscribers. We're up to, I think, a little over 1,200 subscribers now, so thank you guys. Appreciate that.
Try and make better for you.
Yeah, try and get better videos. But we're getting there on the trailer. But we're going back together with the trailer. We're real close to...
We're turning a corner.
Yeah, getting close to painting. Getting closer to painting. We still got a little list of stuff to do, but I just threw on the scrap trailer. My list, but we'll pull it off. Got a whole load of scrap to take in. Yeah. We'll walk around, show you the trailer, little updates. Alright, so we've added the handle. It's an old handle, just found. Add the latch, we can lock it. That door will swing open. I reworked the whole door. It was a mess. So we're still gonna do, and I got to build an arch onto there. So when the door closes, it'll seal all that up. And of course, I still got to put some uprights in there to brace it up. And we welded the taillight hole shut because it's got LED strip lights to put on there. Touched up here and there. And we first, we knocked all the side metal off because, well, it was just junk. We're going to use metal roofing. Then my door latch. I need a way to get in and out from the inside and lock it. So that's the house door latch. Still got to weld some metal around that so that the metal has something to seal against. Other than that, that door will be pretty much like that. We've added the strip, seal it up. Put a big old patch panel on the front. Because man, that was completely trashed. That was really rusted out. Finish welding that up. We're gonna weld all that in, keep the water out of the inside. Melissa did her hand at some fiberglass. Did a good job plugging little holes. We still gotta plug the light holes up there. But it's looking good. Melissa's got the gray?
Aluminum
roof paint. Gonna paint the whole roof with that, seal it up, make sure it's watertight. Well, then we're gonna, when we get all the, we get all the metal work done, then we're gonna go ahead and start doing the paint work, make it match the HellHound. So that'll be fun. That's when everything will start really changing. Once we get the paint done, then we can put the metal roofing up on the sides and start finishing up. But we still gotta. I ordered the metal today actually, 1.5 inch wide and thin strip to put along here for like a drip edge, because you just butt metal up against there, water will go in behind it. So we're gonna weld a drip edge in between each piece, keep the water on the outside. And then first put wood in there on the floor. I think we found what, 2x12 by 18 boards or something?
Yeah.
I think, yeah. Only takes 6 of them. I think 6 of them. Yeah. And tires, brakes, put brakes on the front axle like it's got, but that way it'll be ready for the RatStock Tour.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. That's about it, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks
Check back for part 2.
Yeah. Yep.
Or 3 or we'll
4,
see.
5. Thanks, guys.